What, y'all think y'all driving?
Yeah, turn it on right now.
I humped it.
No, we ain't. Nah, don't turn it on. Say welcome to JJ's Cars and Advice.
Welcome to
JJ's Cars and Advice.
And then look at that, kids out here trying to start cars, thinking.
Start it.
What's going on, everybody? You know who it is, it's JJ. You know, once again, we back at it. We're here at Walmart, about to go do a little shopping. You know, got to get some stuff for the vehicle. So, you know, here at Walmart. So, just let you guys see what I'm going to get. And we're going to go from there. I don't know, which way is the entrance? I can't enter down here, I guess. I don't know, I guess I can't. Oh, let's go. Y'all know, first things first, you know, got to get some copy and paper. So, as y'all can see, I ain't got the new iPhone yet, so gotta get some copy and paper. You know, get that big $20 box of copy and paper. You know, first things first, you gotta get that. You know, print up all these deals. Then what we need some envelopes next. So, nope, not on the right out for that. Nope. When you buy paper tags, they already come with the Sharpie, so don't need any Sharpies, you guys. Camera. Finger keep going over the camera, but it's first front page, so I don't know how. Now let's go get some envelopes, guys. So next, guys, you gotta get you some self-sealing envelopes, you know. So, you know, put people's paperwork in there. I don't know if you can hear me. But, you know, self-sealing envelopes, so you put people's paperwork in there after the deal is done. You know, put their paperwork and their titles in it and give it to them. You know, self-sealing. Now, on to the next. Let's keep going. So, now, back here at the automotive section. I don't need any Freon, but if I do, I always come to Walmart, get my Freon. $5 a can here at Walmart, so can't beat that. So I always go to Walmart. Don't never worry about oil. Cause y'all know I take all my oil down, for all my oil changes, I go right down the street to my buddy, Larby and Fred. They own a oil change shop, tire shop, and you know, they only charge like $25 for an oil change. So, you know, take all my cars there to get an oil change, so I don't never worry about having to do any oil changes, you know. Don't worry about that. You can't beat $25 oil changes and somebody else to do it, you know. Gotta get some of this degreaser, stuff like that, you know, when you cleaning cars, get some of this. Either this one or Purple Power. Either one, they both work highly effective. Purple Power, you know, works great too as well. But I already got some at the lot. Don't think I need any more right now. Time to go get some hubcaps though. You know, gotta get some hubcaps and some hubcaps and mats. Y'all see that? See, they only got certain ones though. See, 22. See, you gotta come in here. You gotta get your stuff. You gotta, you know, look at that. You gotta get your seat covers. I mean, you gotta get your hubcaps, you know, hubcaps. Then you also get your seat covers as well. You know, you gotta make these cars look good. You know, you gotta, you know, do I need a steering wheel cover? Don't need a steering wheel cover, but you know, you gotta dress these cars up. You know, cars are just like people. What happens when they fall into relationships with people? You know, first thing they go off of is the look of the vehicle. Then, you know, once they get into the vehicle, then, you know, they start falling in love with the little other things. You know, aux cords, how the interior looks. You know, the radio, the new radio, the AC, the heat, how this seat feels on them. All that other stuff would be the person's, you know, the person's personality and all the other stuff that people like about a person. You know, treat the car, you know, like the person. You know, make it look good, make them fall in love with that. Then, you know, you talk to them and sell them on some other stuff about the vehicle as well. Then, so you gotta get these floor mats. Always gotta get the set of floor mats. So, you know, I'm in Walmart spending some money, but it is what it is. You know, all this stuff is essential. You know, all this is essential. We gonna get 2 sets. We don't need any more than 2. So 2 sets is fine, but you know, that's what you do. You gotta make these cars look good. So, you know, once they looking good, that's the first thing, because you know a lot of people these days, they buy off the look of the car. You know, that's the first thing. So once you make it look good, then you know, then you sell the person on the personality of the car. Like, you know, when y'all hooking up y'all friends on them blind dates, like, oh man, she looks good, great personality. That's just like these cars. This car looks good, runs good, the AC works, you know, it's got a Bluetooth radio, all the bells and whistles, all of this stuff, you know, all of that. So, you know, but we're done with our shopping for right now. We're about to get up out of Walmart. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Done purchasing everything here at Walmart. Puts everything on my trusty Walmart credit card, you know. I like having a Walmart credit card. Keeps track of all of my purchases, so helps, you know. Everything I purchase at Walmart, I always purchase with my Walmart credit card, so it keeps track of all my purchases. So, you know, I don't have to keep track of all these receipts. I can just go on to my Walmart credit card. I can just go on Walmart.com, print off everything that I bought from Walmart, and bam, there you go. For tax purposes whenever I need it. So that's the benefit of it. That's why I like having this Walmart credit card. You know, Walmart has everything. Basically, we always have everything you need. If they don't have anything you need, just go online. They'll have it for you right there. So we just got what we need for these cars. You know, just some hubcaps and, you know, carpet, some mats and some seat covers. You know, 'cause you can clean up these seats as best as you can, but you know, it's still, you know, they still look some of them don't always come out clean. They don't always come out looking the best after you clean them up as much as possible. So, you know, the seats are clean, just put some seat covers over it, you know, kind of just handle that. But let's get to it. Appreciate you guys. You know, I appreciate everybody's support. I appreciate everybody who's always tuning in and watching my videos. I appreciate all the feedback you guys give. I mean, if it wasn't for you guys, you know, what would I be doing? I'm just playing. But like I said, I appreciate you guys. Love all you guys, you know. Let's keep letting this channel grow. I'm gonna keep giving you guys advice, and I'm gonna keep, as long you guys helping me, and I'm gonna keep helping you guys, because a lot of times, you know, you guys comment something in the comment section below, and you know, it's something that I didn't know, so this always something, you know, because my thing is you can learn something from any and everybody. So, you know, doesn't matter the person's situation, anything, you can learn something from anybody. So, you know, y'all keep giving me advice and keep giving me knowledge, and I'm gonna keep giving you guys advice and knowledge. So, you know, we all working together as one. So, you know, we're all a family working together as one. Appreciate you guys. Let's keep getting to it. Let's go. Yeah, gotta get them hubcaps for all my other cars, man. Look at us, you know. As you can see, got my hubcaps for my car gonna look different. As you can see, we got a one of 3 school buses we got. So we gotta find some room for this one. How it drive? Awesome job, but you know, it drives good. Drive like a bus? Yeah, it's nutty. And you know, since it came from the Oklahoma public school, that they service them all good. Yeah, it came from Oklahoma. Look at that. Y'all see we got the bus up here, man. Gotta find something to do with it. So we got so we got 3 box trucks and we got 3 buses. I don't know what we're gonna do with all this stuff. Look at that. We take a tour of the bus, man. Look at that. Y'all first live action, man. Little mini bus. This one actually, like, it was really well kept up, you know. No rips and tears in the seats, anything that I can see. Look at that, man. Sit on the bus. Sit on the bus. I mean, I don't never ride no short bus, but I mean, sit on the bus, man. Sitting. What? The battery good in there? Did it start right back up? And look, you left it.
Nah, it's still running.
It's still running? Man, this thing quiet. Thing was quiet. I didn't even know it was running.
Yeah, I mean, he thought it was off, man. I'm getting
I'm gonna do with it, but we'll figure out something. That's why, like I said, you always buy stuff and figure out what you're gonna do with it later. Man, it ain't that bad, man. You might call Certified. They might got a bumper for you.
Like, you got different color fender, but hey, like, it's a faded fender.
I just faded, ain't a different color, just faded. Yeah, it's just faded, cause it's faded, cause you can see it was like yellow right there. You can just see it was faded. It ain't no different fender. Looks better already, don't it? See what a set of hubcaps make your car look like, man. Look at that, make your car look all 10 times better. Already, this look. Now my car look way, little bucket looks better now. Look at that, look way better with those hubcaps, don't it? Let me know. Got some good tires, good hubcaps, you know. I drive early, man. Just don't put it in gear.
You gonna put it in gear? That's my grandpa.
He put it in gear. He gonna smash it to the building.
Oh, yeah, he ain't stopping.
Boom! Knock the air conditioner out the back of the. Oh, he think he revving it up too. It ain't gonna hurt him. Where y'all going? You don't even know how to drive.
To the Wal-Mart.
You gotta let him know. You going to Wal-Mart? You don't even know how to drive. You can't even drive a power wheel.
That's what I can.
What you know about cars? Let's see what you know. What this light mean?
I don't know.
It's the tire pressure light. What's that mean?
Seatbelt.
All right. What's this mean?
This?
No, that one right there.
The red one?
Yeah.
The door's open.
All right. What's this yellow one mean?
The trunk is open.
All right. Look at that. I guess you know a little bit, but appreciate you guys for tuning in. I didn't get to get with Carlos, so because I haven't seen him at the auction, and I messaged him and he wasn't feeling the best, so didn't get to get me with Carlos this week. So hopefully next week he's feeling a lot better. So hopefully we can meet with him next week. So man, you know, gotta get my favorite Smoothie King, and you know, then go to the house or chill, or you know, finish getting some of these, go to the lot and sell some more cars, you know, clearing out space. As you can see, got to make room for that bus. Then we got 2 other buses, so it's 3 buses. 1 box truck is already in use. Gotta go pick up the other box truck. So we're gonna have 3 buses and 2 box trucks here at the lot, but another box truck is about to start getting in use. So it's only gonna be 1 box truck and 3 buses back there. We're gonna find out something to do exactly with that. But you know, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm out. I'll see you guys Monday. I love you guys. Hope everyone has a great weekend. And we're gonna get back to this thing Monday. And let me know which Monday, because Monday, you know, CarMax Monday. So you know, we're gonna let you guys know. We're gonna go to see some CarMax action. I know my guy commented wanted to look at Sacramento, so I'll try to find one close to Sacramento and hop into a couple other ones to let you guys see what CarMax prices are going for all over. But appreciate you guys. Like this video, comment on this video, share this video if you can, or if not this video, share one of my other videos that may be more helpful to somebody. So just let me know. Appreciate you guys. Peace. I'm out.